What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Drea Marie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this, stay true to this and hit the subscribe button. Today we're going to be installing a glueless wig from Asteria hair, so don't go nowhere. Let's get right into it.
My bad, bitch. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. Yeah, she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay?
Now let's get into the packaging. The packaging was really cute. It came with a wig band, lashes, a bonnet, and a few other goodies. Now let's get into the wig details. This wig is a 16-inch 13x4 pre-styled glueless wig. It truly is a ready-to-wear wig. The knots are pre-bleached, the lace is pre-cut, and the baby hairs are already included. I am installing this wig today only for content purposes. I already had a braided style in and I didn't want to take it out. So I brushed my edges, I tinted the lace and tinted the cap. And here's where things got scary. I had to perform a wig surgery. The lace was covering my ear and I clearly had to cut that off. I did good on one side, but I did mess up a little bit on the other side. So that is my only con about this wig. Other than that, I really do like this wig. I love that it's glueless. I love that it's pre-styled, and I do think that it holds a curl very well. Overall, I do recommend this wig, especially if you are a beginner. This isn't a sponsored post. I purchased this with my own money, and if you guys are interested, all the details will be down in the description box below.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise. This must be when hell is like this.
Hey y'all, so I am back. I just want to thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. If you watched my last video, I am in my new home and I'm actually content right now because the lighting setup, it's giving, okay? And if you watched my last video, you know I struggle with edges, but today, let's get into it, baby. The edges were edging. Before I go, head to the new subbies. Let's take this moment to introduce ourselves down below in the comments. And if you watched our video, comment the heart emoji. I love y'all. Road to 4,000 watch hours. Let's get there, okay? Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. What video do y'all want to see next? Stay tuned to Lay Down the Moon. I'll see y'all soon. Love y'all.
Got to be more sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze.